Track 11, Wild Salmon, Spinach and Cauliflower, inspired by DJ Khaled, Wild Thoughts. Ingredients: 6 ounces of wild salmon, 4 cups of fresh spinach, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 cup of mashed cauliflower, commercially available, microwave, 1 teaspoon of dill, 1 lemon wedge. This recipe provides 630 calories, 45 grams of fat, 58% of your daily value, 10 grams of saturated fat, 50% of your daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, 115 milligrams of cholesterol, 38% of your daily value, 2,260 milligrams of sodium, 98% of your daily value, 20 grams of carbohydrate, 7% of your daily value, 9 grams of dietary fiber, 32% of your daily value, 0 grams of total sugars, 42 grams of protein, 84% of your daily value. This is a wildly nutritious meal for you to eat at least twice per week. The American Heart Association recommends 2 fish meals per week. Salmon is another excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids that is good for your heart health and brain health, supports memory. The mashed cauliflower is an excellent alternative to mashed potatoes, although the choice is yours. Make it a wild and memorable experience. Directions: heat medium-sized pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add spinach while pan is heating up. Toss and season with garlic salt and cover. Cook and toss occasionally for 8 minutes. In a separate medium-sized non-stick pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil with garlic. Season salmon with lemon pepper seasoning and grill both sides for approximately 5 minutes each. Microwave bird's eye steam fresh veggie made mashed cauliflower original for 5 minutes. Plate ingredients and enjoy.